Designing a cold room. Start here. Step 1. Determine the total heat load of the cold room, expressed in BTU per hour or kilowatts. Step 2. Choose an evaporator that matches the heat load as closely as possible. Step 3. Match the compressor capacity to the evaporator's load to ensure balanced performance. Step 4. Choose a condenser that matches the total heat rejection, including the power input of the selected compressor. Finally, select all necessary components, such as the oil separator, liquid receiver, filter dryer, and suction accumulator based on the system requirements.